So to our congressman in Marinduque, Congressman Lord Alan Velasco, bilang isa po mamamayan ng Marinduque, naninikluhod po ako sa inyong lingkod na suportahan niyo po, please vote and reinstitute divorce in the Philippines. As a member of an annulment group, I saw not just one people, few people, ang dami po nila. They would take risk, nai-scam, nahihirapan, yung iba, pati illegal. You cannot say that there is no divorce in the Philippines. Actually, there is Sharia divorce. And everyone is taking risk getting Sharia divorce, even if we still didn't have it in our law for Christians. So bakit po, Congressman, hindi po natin i-reinstitute ang divorce? Para po yung mga nai-scam, para lang maging malaya, mawala po yung mga scammers.
Yeah.
Uulitin ko po, ang Pilipino, they're taking risk. They're taking risk kung kahit anong option yan. Even they know that's illegal. Sharia law for non-Muslims are illegal, but still, they take risk. So why not reinstitute divorce? Reinstitute divorce because divorce is our human right. Anal po ko, Congressman, but I stand high supporting divorce bill. Karapatan po ng bawat Pilipino na magkaroon ng divorce. Karapatan po ng bawat Pilipino na maging masaya. Karapatan po ng bawat Pilipino na maging malaya sa patay ng sa kapirasong papel. Kapirasong papel na pumipigil sa kanila para maging isang malaya na tao from the marriage they have. Tama na po yung bangungot na pinagdaanan ng bawat isa. Kung naging bangungot man ang kanilang relasyon sa dati nilang asawa, tama na po yun. Bigyan nyo naman po ng kasiyahan yung bawat Pilipino para maging malaya. And that is true, reinstituting a divorce in the Philippines.